Sadiq. I'm a student of Forex Empire and also a student of David. Basically, I found out about the course a while back. I think I saw some of David's posts on Facebook. I think 2016, 2017. I forgot the exact date. And I did some research, asked some questions, and I decided to join the course. And ever since I joined it, it has just been progress. After I joined the course, David released the full content, and I started practicing on demo for around 4 to 5 months. Then I started to move to a live account because I was really confident. Although David advised us to trade for them on the demo for 5, 6, 7 months to be more confident, I started to go live after 5 months. I was already trading live, but I started to go live trading the market maker method, and I started trading it live since I think early 2017 or ending 2016. I forgot the exact date. And ever since I started, I haven't had the negative months. I've been really consistent and all that. Maybe I'll send some of my results to David so he can share it with you guys if he wants to. But yeah, it's been good. The experience has been really good. David answers all our questions. He's always almost available for questions and confirmations and all that. Most of the time we submit assignments and he gives us feedbacks. He corrects us if there's mistakes and all that. So yeah, that's basically my experience with Forex Empire. If I was to rate the course out of 10, from 1 to 10, I would say 10, because it's a really good investment as long as you put into work to practice and master it and understand. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to what I have to say with my little accent, and yeah, hopefully I shed a little light into the course. Yeah, thank you for the course and your time and all that, David. We really appreciate it. Alright guys, Sadiq out.